Hi, my name is Rob Takmura. I'm the Operations Manager here for Bellair, and I'm with Kelleigh Johnson. He's the Fleet Manager. Kelleigh, tell me a little bit about yourself. What's your hobby? What's something that you like to do on the weekends?
Yeah, well, my hobbies are racing, sprint cars. Probably the only team that has two girls that drive race cars for me, and they are very good at what they do.
Okay, now the two girls, though, they're special.
Yeah,
What
they're my
makes them
daughters.
special?
Yeah,
Right.
they are my daughters.
Right. So-
I spoiled rotten.
So one of the things we want to talk about today is just the regular maintenance of the vehicles and why that's so important.
Well, maintenance of the vehicles is just like anything else out there, Rob. You know, it's if you keep up on it, you keep the buses running longer. They will provide more mileage, safer, and a lot less stress on the drivers and the passengers of the bus.
Thank you, Kelleigh, and that's the Bellair Minute.